Welcome to Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory based right here in Forest City, Iowa. We here at Lichtsinn RV love technology, especially when it adds value for the safety of our guests, safety of their pets, adding a more user-friendly guest experience while you're using your RV, and of course everybody loves to save money, so in terms of saving energy. So now we actually have smart home automation in the RV industry with the Micro-Air EasyTouch smart home thermostat for your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. The Micro-Air EasyTouch controls and monitors climate control literally anywhere in the world, and it's compatible with Android and Apple devices. While in your coach, you can connect via Bluetooth connectivity, be able to monitor, change, and control temperatures even without getting out of bed. Also, while you're in the RV, you can actually use it if you're connected within the same Wi-Fi network. But one of the most unique benefits is you can now monitor climate control in your coach, being able to keep your occupants and pets safe literally anywhere in the world as long as the EasyTouch is connected to a Wi-Fi network. It can be used through a hotspot or an over-the-air dedicated internet network, such as those that we set up with our master trained service technicians using a Winegard Connect 2.0, Starlink satellite internet, or any device that you may bring along. Great things about the Micro-Air EasyTouch is there are no monthly fees, no subscription fees. It can be used for single or dual zone heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system features. You can monitor and control temperatures with low temp and high temp alerts, and it will control your air conditioner, your furnace, AC heat pumps, AC heat strips, and even an aqua hot hydronic heating system. It's available for all RV thermostats. So in the Winnebago world, that would be the Coleman Mach through Air Excel, a GE air conditioning system, and for other brands, Dometic, Furrion, and Atwood. So the Micro-Air EasyTouch is a 3.5-inch touchscreen, capacitive touchscreen monitor. It shows both indoor and outdoor temperatures. It'll come in a black housing or a white housing, depending upon what decor you have. There are backup settings for any of your programming that you may do, so if you place the coach in storage, you can actually store those settings. It provides high temp alert, low temp alert notifications that can be pushed to your smartphone or tablet. So as you're monitoring the coach, potentially in storage, or if you're away on a day trip, or if you have pets inside, you can monitor the interior temperature as well as the exterior temperature using the Micro-Air app. You can have different scheduling settings, so you can conserve energy if you'd like it to be a little bit cooler at night, warmer during the day if you're away from the RV. It also has home and away settings, so if you're getting ready to leave, you can very simply throw it to away mode. And again, you can set all of that with 7-day programming features. It does come back with a 2-year warranty. And we currently have this Micro-Air installed in a Winnebago View. This is a 24V floor plan, okay? And this is a Coleman air conditioner that we have connected. I pre-connected it, and I'm actually using my Apple iPad right now. And what I'm gonna demonstrate for you is how you can literally monitor and control your RV's climate control from anywhere in the world. So right now I have my iPad set to cellular mode. So I'm not connected to a Wi-Fi network, and I'm not connected via Bluetooth connectivity. I'm very simply going to launch the app. So the Micro-Air app will launch. I have the opportunity to connect via Wi-Fi, which is what I would do if I was outside of the RV anywhere in the world, or if I was locally, I could connect via Bluetooth. So if I connect via Wi-Fi, right here it shows that I have a device connected, because you could have multiple thermostats connected to this. So I'm going to connect the 24V. And so now you can see these readings match. So it's 73 degrees inside the RV, it's 71 degrees outside, and I have it set to cool to 74 degrees. So if I take my device where I'm outside, again, away from the coach, anywhere in the world, and if I decide that I want to cool it down because it's getting too hot for my pets, so right now I have it set to a 74 degree cool point. If I bring that down to 72 and hit save, and I come back over here to my Easy Start Micro-Air, again, it's changed to 72 degrees. So within this app, you can control the interior temperature of the RV. You can also monitor it and have those push notifications sent to your device for high temp and low temp alerts. The MicroAir EasyTouch comes with a 2-year warranty, and here at Lichtsinn RV we stock the single zone thermostats for the Coleman Mach through Air Excel, as well as the GE air conditioning system, which will cover the majority of Winnebago's lineup. We can also order, bring in, and have ready for installation the dual zones for some of our larger Class A's gas and diesel pushers. So be sure to check with your service representative here at Lichtsinn RV to set a time for us to install your MicroAir EasyTouch.